As a non-resident in US, you're not staying in US, but you want to have a business in US, we will see how you can do that in today's video. I will be showing the registry process in a state called New Mexico.
Before we get into the video, I'd like to mention that I've partnered with products and service provider to bring you tools and resources that can help you achieve your goal in this video. The link in the description is an affiliate link, and by using it, you will be supporting this channel at no additional cost to you. This helps me continue creating valuable content for you.
This is how the link looks. Clicking on that to avail all the benefit which I'm showing in the video. If you're on a mobile, this is where you will find the link. All resources I have kept in the link. So once you click, you come to this website and click form your free LLC now. And here you will choose the entity type and state of formation. Entity type as a non-resident LLC, and then we will go to New Mexico in this list. Now here you get the package comparison, and depending on state, the fee is going to vary. Now we have chosen New Mexico, so this is what the fee is, and they have 3 different package. So my suggestion is that go for the platinum package, because you want to be up and running with your business and not get into these administrative hassle, because these are small things. Later on you can come and optimize. Most of the people, they procrastinate thinking I will save few pennies here and there, but end up making significant losses by just procrastinating. So make sure you don't fall into that trap, and there are other ways through which you can go and get things done, but having a single source when you're starting business makes it less stressful for you, and you are up and running quickly. So this is what I would suggest. Again, it is up to you how you want to. I would always prefer to have a hand holding initially, and once I understand, I can go and optimize things later. So you'll get to see this in the video. I will select this package platinum, and here you will enter the LLC name. Make sure it is descriptive, distinctive, and it reflects the business what you're doing, and you can go and read this part. So once you come with a name, LLC name and designator, as you can see here, I'm entering my company name, and designator I'm selecting LLC. You can choose any one from this list, and once this is done, this is how the company name will look when you get your document. So business purpose, I'm just showing a sample. You can enter the business purpose, and from this list you'll have to select closest industry. So from this drop down, you can select whichever is the closest industry. You can just enter few keywords and you will figure out. It's very simple. Once everything is done, you click next. This is the contact person page. You enter your name, email address, phone number. Again, depending on the country where you are, you will enter that phone number. Here I am choosing Canada, as I am in Canada, and once this is done, you click next. So this is the company address page, and you would need a virtual address. You cannot have a PO box in US. That is a requirement, as you can see. And if you are outside of US, you will need a address, and it is suggested that you go with a business address which is in a business place, as these are publicly available record. So again, you'll be paying for this $29 per month, and as I said, you can figure out later. Once you start running with your business and business is set, you can recover all this expense, and I'm selecting this plan, and then will also enter the contact address. So here I am entering the Canada address. Again, whichever country you are, you select that. Then we come to this number of member. In my case, I'm selecting individual and selecting the name and address which I just subscribed to. So that appears here. Then you click next, and we come to this page, registered agent information. Again, it is important that the registered agent is physically present in the state where you are registering your LLC, and this service is getting free for the first 1 year. You can see here, for the first 1 year it is free, and this person will receive the document, scan and send that to you. You can read this part. So again, this is important. I'm selecting this free service for the first year, and you can always change the registered agent at later date. I'm going to the next page, EIN or tax identification number. Again, this is, because you are a foreigner, you will select yes, and you have to confirm I agree, where you have to fill up this SS4 application form. I made a separate video. You can go and check how that is getting filled. So once your LLC is formed, and you have the document in hand, only after that you can fill this up. So you'll have to do I agree whenever that LLC is ready. You will fill up this form, and here you see physical street address. In my case, I'm choosing the assigned address which I selected earlier, and then click next. So this is the business bank. Again, you would need one, so you can choose if you are interested like me, or you can ignore that and do that later on your own. So this is the place where you're getting a free tax consultation. I'm saying I'm not interested. You can choose whatever it is and then click next. So once this is done, business license and permit. Again, they have a service where if you choose, you pay additional $99. I'm not selecting this as I know what all is required. And once this is done, again, click next. So this is the review part. This is where check, recheck, cross check. Any error you spot, you can make correction. You see this edit, you can go and correct it here. And once you have reviewed and once you're sure everything is correct, you go to next. That is the payment part. Here you can pay through PayPal or credit card. In almost most certainly it'll be credit card. So I'm selecting credit card and name as in the card. And here when the address part comes, you enter the address which is your local address. So in my case, I'm in Canada, so I will select that because the card is associated with that address. And then this is where the order summary is. You see here whatever services you're taking that's shown, and it's going to cost $378 in my case. And once everything is reviewed, I will go and complete and pay. So once the payment is done, your document process will start and you will be informed when the LLC is ready. Then you will get a form SS4 to fill up. Once the SS4 form is ready, you can go and ask for EIN. Again, if you have taken the service, they will handhold you. If not, I have made a separate video where you can see how you can reduce that timeline, get it little faster. Once you have your EIN and your bank account is set up, permit and licensing are in place, you are now ready to start your business in US. Congratulations. In case you have any doubt, please use the comment section, or you can find my address in the about section and you can reach out to me. And thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you're using the link to avail all the discounts which have been shown.